You ready, Henry? Oh boy. What's down there?
It's not fast.
There's cars down there.
What?
There's cars down there, Dad.
Yeah, there's trucks down there?
There's cars.
Cars, yeah.
Trucks down there.
Oh boy. Oh.
Hey, look, that car is bringing the future.
This is so exciting. Don't look down.
No?
The world is huge.
Is this exciting, Henry?
KR.
Look, we're going up in the air. We're going over the...
Uh-oh.
Yeah?
We're going down. We're gonna cross the East River.
That's one way.
Huh? Yeah. See, what's that over there? Is that the bridge? We're going to go alongside the bridge, right? Yeah.
The tramway is hanging.
It's like we're in an airplane.
It's just not too far away from Victoria, isn't it?
Nope, it's not. On the way back to the probably see the tram from her apartment.
Whoa.
Hey, Henry. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
The Edgecombe Bridge is huge. I'm gonna come here often. Oh wait, I see Roosevelt Island. You don't have a southern half.
How high up are we?
Oh, we're going down, we're going down.
Are we really high up?
We're just up.
Yeah.
We're not going down.
Whoa!
It kind of wobbles.
I know, but now look where we are. Now we go down. Yeah.
You can walk all the way in.
Very cool. Yeah, you see the bridge over there, Henry?
Yes.
There are lots of cars and stuff going over there. Look at the river. You can see the river down there too.
Oh, it looks dangerous.
And come down. We have to down there.
Is this fun?
Yes.
Cool. Say hello, New York City.
Hello, New York City.
Yeah, that's where we are.
I should get that shirt. I love anyone.